it's 1 week now since I started walking. I make sure that I walk 7,000 to around 9,000, 5,000, 6,000, like that, from 5,000 to 10,000 steps every day, like every day at 5, because at 5 it's when the sun is down, like has set, or has set, and it's like the best time to walk. It's so nice, the clouds look nice, and I was like, from now on, from 5 I start walking like since 1st of July. And this video is to just show you how we walk. Me and my young sisters, we go for a walk. Make sure that you change routes every day so that it becomes more interesting, seeing things, and it has been an amazing experience. I always look forward to it. It's like a fun thing to do, and we bond more with my young sisters. I hope you guys like the video. Yeah, inaitwaje? Evening exercise. Evening walking. Evening walking. Evening exercise. Exercise then. I don't know. In a walk. Yes. So, kuna huyu anapenda chakula. And then there is another one over there. Umevaa hapo takati nimezificha. Bro. Anyways, tunaenda kutembea right now. Subscribe, like, and comment down below. We are working till there. There. 100 followers. Plus. Yeah, we are going to the pharmacy. Kuna gari nyuma. Kwa gari? Yes. Huyu gari? Yes. Aje. Sasa tuza. Aje. Niruke. Kuna bahati kashapita. Alikuwa naruka. Ni Prado. Yes. Prado. Yes. Prado ambaye asitumbii. Guys, I'm back on YouTube. I'll be posting random shit. Yeah. Life with these 2 mangoes. Yeah. Over here. I'm a baboon. But anyways, it's life. She's the baboon. She's the dancer. She's the human being. Me, this is kind human being. Me nani. But I guess we should know. And nimesha kwambia fanya manua pale. Manua. Guys, simtoki kujua kwenye garden za watu. Si anafanya manua. Hata sisi girls unaweza, tunafanya kama unapata kitu. Promise you on. Because you're the baboon. Let me show you my car. It's my car. Nimepark tu hapo inaoshwa. Guys, hatuwezi tembea na simu till the place we are going kwa sababu itakuwa weird. People will be like, what are these people doing? Anyways, we'll see you guys later. What are the people? What are the people doing? You'll be on camera, so I mean, like, it's not just me. You are the one who holds the camera, so you are hapo. Thank you. Hawa watu wanataka eti kuwa models. Oh my God. And then they don't want to do the work. How can I help them?
Didn't say they why.
Marisa ndo nani? What are you doing? Let me just tell you guys, Mama ataona and Dad probably. So, wewe umekalia nini? Umekalia? Bro. Look at the nanny, guys. It's so pretty. Shuimbe. Nothing is happening. Unasikia kitu? Mimi sijasikia kitu. Naangalia kitu. What happened? Na wewe ukafanyaje? Yes, I got you. Tuende. Si tuende? Tunaenda. Kwanza na sababu ndio tuko hapa na record. Ni lazima, it's entertainment. That's why Brenda,
Tuna kiredio hicho.
Wateseka.
Na bahati nimeshika hivi.
Soma kipije. Sasa mambo leo kodi.
Wewe pita huko. Kwani nasema nataka uwepo. Mbona unarudi? Bye guys, exercise time. Today, I'm late because apparently my mom wanted some stuff be done before I go out. So yes, sir. Oh, Brenda, akuanunulia sijui what. Nimewanunulia. I bought them.
Since 1st of July till today, I'll show you the steps and the achievements that I've achieved. And don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and please subscribe. Please, guys. Jamani, please subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace. Bye.